In this video, you will learn how to check your RIA money transfer history. First, open the RIA app. Launch the RIA money transfer app on your smartphone by tapping the app icon on your home screen. Then, log into your account. Enter your credentials such as your email and your password, or sign in using another sign-in method such as your Face ID to access your account securely. Navigate to the activity or home screen. Once logged in, look for Activity or Home Screen tab, which usually displays your recent transfers or even transactions. View recent transactions. The most recent transaction will be listed here, including your details such as destination country, amount sent, transaction status, such as completed or in progress. Tap on the transfer for detailed information. To view the specific information about your transfer, tap on any entry. This will show the details such as the recipient's name, payment method and transaction history. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.